Hey, what's up you guys? It's Andrea and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by my face today, we are doing a tutorial on this Sugar Skull makeup. Super cute, super easy. It has these beautiful pearl accents, and I'm going to show you how to make this DIY headband. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am so excited to do this makeup tutorial because it is officially my first makeup tutorial of October for Halloween. So for today's Sugar Skull look, I'm going to start off with my base first, which is super simple, just like natural base. Actually going to be featuring the BoxyCharm products that I got in my October After Dark BoxyCharm. I decided that I think I'm just gonna integrate the products into the videos I do instead of just doing a dedicated BoxyCharm video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's makeup tutorial. So I'm actually gonna start off with this. This is the Touch and Sol Glassy Pretty Filter Glass Skin Balm. So it's basically a primer, and this retails for $32. And this is, I think it's targeted more towards dry skin, so let's see how it will react with mine. Feels nice and moisturizing. It feels like a cream, like just like a moisturizing cream, which is nice. It's good for my dry areas. I don't know how I'll do on like my forehead and stuff, which is my oily areas. Hydrated, really shiny. I really like that. So I just applied the primer. It feels good. It feels nice and hydrating. And then in the box also came this beauty sponge. This is from the brand Illuminati, and this sponge retailed for $21. So first glance, when I touched it and it wasn't wet, it was really tough. Like, it was hard. Now that I wet it, it is a little bit more bouncy, but it's still not even compared to the ColourPop like bounce. I'm gonna be using my same combination, my Milani and my CYO foundation, and we're just gonna foundation up this face. So it feels good on the skin. It's not like super hard how I thought it would be. And it's just applying my foundation nicely. So far, so good. Okay, so I have my little concealer concoction. It's just my ColourPop concealer and my Wet n Wild concealer. And it's nice, but it is a little like thicker, so it's not that easy to get into my eye. Like, I feel the sponge in my actual eyeball. But yeah, I think the sponge is good. And the fact that it came in my box, and we've never gotten a sponge before, so I think that's really cool. Let's powder up. So I'm going to use the Cover FX powder and the Becca powder, this for under my eyes and this for all over my face. Alright, so I am powdered. I still see a little bit of dew around, like, you know, some highlight areas of my face, and eyebrows are on. I'm going to go ahead and bronze real quick. There's really no like deep bronzing until like we shade in different areas later. Just a quick little bronze. I'm gonna use this shade Bronzed Bee by Pretty Vulgar. Now we're gonna move on to our eyes. So for our eyes, I'm gonna be using this Baked Browns from Dose of Color. This also came in my BoxyCharm this month. This palette retails for, let's see, for $32. So what it looks like. The packaging I think is so pretty. It's like a bronzy chromey color, and the colors are super nice. So I haven't even touched or swatched these colors at all, but they're all matte. I thought that this was perfect for the eyes because there really isn't much to do with the eyes, but we do want to add a little bit of smokiness, and I thought these colors would be perfect, so it works out. It also comes with a little brush. This brush is whatever, like it's not a big deal. This side though, this little smoky side is really nice. This one, can't really do much with it, but it's fine. Okay, so we're zoomed in and now we're gonna start off. I'm gonna use the P. Louise base. I'm actually also gonna go in with the So Jaded palette. I'm gonna start off with a nice transition shade. I'm gonna do Royal Jewels right up here. We'll just use this and hopefully the other colors will go on nicer. So I'm just gonna take Royal Jewels and put that in my crease area. And then I'll go in with the Dose of Colors Deserted. Okay, so I have made my crease area look a lot better. I'm gonna go in now with Jasper all over my lid. This Jasper color is super pretty, and we're just gonna use a fluffy brush because I don't want it to be super intense. So we're just gonna put this on my lid, build it up, and I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna go in now to Rock Bottom from Dose of Colors and put that on my lower lash line to smoke it out even more. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our winged eyeliner. Pretty big-ish wing with the Hank & Henry black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna try and outline it with this NYX white liquid liner. I seriously suck so bad at winged eyeliner. I don't even know what to do. Like, I cannot fix this. And I just realized that this eyeliner is not like matte, and like I kind of don't love that, but whatever. We're just gonna roll with it. That's as good as my eyeliner is gonna get. It is not the best, but I'm pretty sure you guys can do better. I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX glitter eyeliner in Diamond Dust to highlight my inner corner. I feel like when I put my eyelashes on, it'll all work out better. We're gonna go ahead and start working on the skull makeup after. I'm going to use the NYX white eyeliner for my waterline. Jumbo eye pencil and milk. Okay, quickly before we get started with the skull, I'm gonna be using the Laura Geller Diamond Dust Baked Gelato Swirl. This is just like a holographic-y kind of highlighter, kind of duochrome, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my cheekbones a little bit, just so we can try out the last BoxyCharm product. Okay, so now we're actually gonna get started with the skull. To outline, I'm gonna use the NYX eye pencil. Most of the products that I'm gonna be using are from NYX because I just find that they have really good, like these jumbo eye sticks. I'm gonna be using milk and cottage cheese, and then the same little eyeliner from before, and this little pencil. So I'm just gonna start off with outlining the circles around my eyes. So now to intensify this, I'm gonna go in with my Suva eyeliner, the really tiny one that I used last time, and the NYX white eyeliner that I just used. I'm gonna try the other eye with NYX Milk, and then we'll see. So I made them as even as I could. Now I'm gonna use the white eyeliner, and with pressing motions like this, I'm just gonna press and do circles all around it. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna use this one or the jumbo, but I think I'm gonna use this one because the jumbo might be too thick. So let's just press and outline the circles. So after some quite a little bit of time making the little circles around my circles, we can finally start on the spider web. Web is done, looking really pretty good actually. So I'm gonna take back the baked browns and I'm gonna go in with rock bottom and create some contrast, and then with the fluffy side I'm gonna use it to blend. All right, so the shadows are on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. I'm actually going to conceal my lips. So I drew these little brown lines so I can see kind of where I want the teeth to stop. So I'm kind of struggling with the teeth a little bit, but I want to start doing the shadows for under the swirls. As best as I could. Now I'm gonna add some shadow to the teeth and these lines. My best tip for doing these teeth would be grabbing your jumbo pencil and a thin brush like this Suva brush and taking it and painting on these little teardrop shapes. Okay, so finally we have finished these teeth and I have put in all the correct shadow work. So now I think we're ready to move on to the fun part, which is the little pearls. So you're just gonna see where I'm gonna place the pearls because it's very simple. It's just you guys, so I popped on the headband and this is the finished look. I am so happy with the way that it came out. Literally like 5 hours later I finally made it happen and I think that it looks so cool. This is like definitely one of the most artistic things I've ever done, and I just love the way that it turned out. Oop, there's a little... And I think that it's so pretty, and I hope you guys are inspired to do some cool Halloween makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below, and please comment down below what other makeup videos you want to see. I have some planned out, but I would love to do ones that you want to see, so leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!